Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the BROAN bath fan plus humidity sensing wall control. The model is CST80KW. So this one features 80 CFM, 80 cubic feet per minute. Powerful ventilation to remove moisture and reduce risk of mold or mildew in most food baths, and 0.7 sound for whispering operation. BROAN ventilation fan easily installed from the room side, which makes it possible to retrofit to spaces with no attic access. Clean cover grill stays cleaner longer with fewer vent slots to collect dust. Humidity sensing wall control is an easy to install fan switch for DIYers. Fall away mounting ears precisely positioned the fan for new construction applications or fall flat for retrofit installations with no attic access. Easy duct connectors create an airtight seal while connecting to the duct from below the ceiling. True seal damper technology reduces air leakage up to 50%. Snap fit flange kit can be purchased separately for flexible installation for new construction or retrofit upgrades. Energy Star certified. 4-inch duct connector with damper. Fits 2-inch by 6-inch ceiling construction. UL listed for use in insulated ceilings. Type IC and HVI-2100 certified for safety. UL listed for use over bathtubs or showers when connected to GFCI protected branch circuit not included. The product dimension is the 12.25 inch length by 12.25 inch width by 5.75 inch height, and the weight is about 9 pounds. By the way, this item is listed on Costco website for $109.99. And I was just browsing a Costco local store and saw it for $60. And I remember this one was like $100+ retail. So I got this one. It was the last one. But unfortunately, when I look on the bottom, somebody opened from the bottom. You see the tape? Somehow it ripped this side of the cardboard box. And it says made in North America. By the way, the humidity sensing control, you could control the fan runtime, mode of sensing, humidity sensitivity. So there is your timer, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, up to 60 minutes. And then there's auto sense or cycle. And you can adjust 20 up to 80. And sensitivity from low all the way to high. Right here is the mid. And you can adjust here, 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 here. Anyway, let's go and then unbox it and check it out. And it says ultra quiet performance. You might not know it's on, so I'm not too sure about that. Some of the review on Costco website saying it was pretty loud compared to the Panasonic brand. So I'm going to test out and see. So it shows the suggested tool. So this is a 4-inch tube, and the dimension is 9.25 inch by 10 inch by 5.25 inch. And right here is the wire installation guide for the wiring. Got the ground for the green one. You got the hot, and then fan, the low, and then neutral. So the switch is model 82W. It says requires a power line black and a neutral wire white for operation. Switch must be grounded. Yeah, I'm not sure why I got two of this. And right here is the user manual or installation guide. Here's the switch. Oh, somebody removed this for the wiring. Huh. So right here's the sense, and the switch right here. It says hot, vent, neutral is this side. So when you remove the switch cover, this is the top. That is your adjustment right there. Oops, it's upside down. And right here is the switch. So it's like saying, how come it's so loose? Yep, it is in all the way. And right here is the sensing part right here. So there are 3 clips. 1, 2, 3. Here you go. Oh my God. So this is the fan right here. Huh. Why is this falling off like this? And now you need to plug this plug in here. Oh, that's a pretty big fan. Comes some of the screw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now this is the tube. That goes over here. Huh, I'm not sure why they remove it. Check. So you're supposed to remove this fan and install this tube. There's a flap right here. Fan side. And this is the cover. And right here's the ventilation hole right here. Right, so you need to remove this fan, okay, the actual fan or the motor. And you need to install this from the inside. So this one is tricky. Gotta install this in here first. Gotta tilt it in an angle like this. Because right here there are like clips to clip it on first. Must tilt in an angle. This one has to be higher. Now you see those clip is clipping to the metal casing or the aluminum. And then now you could put that black screw and screw in here. And when the fan blows, it's gonna push the air out like that. So you need a black screw for one right here. And then 2 to mount the motor. So that's 3. And then 4, 5. There are 2 screws. One right here, one right there. So we are not missing any screws at all. That's why you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I install the cover. After you mount this bath fan, you need to squeeze this and then put it in here. On both sides. So yeah, that exhaust fan is definitely too big for this toilet. And as you can see, it is pretty loud. So I'm going to install it on this one. Hopefully it's the correct size, so I gotta open it up and see. And this one is not working. Or making like a rattle noise, so I unplug it. So I can see the exhaust tube is right there. And it's mounted by this 2 screws. So yeah, I'll need to remove this 1, 2, 3. I think also look like a 1/4 inch socket. And after that, remove the fan, and then there's a plug right there to unplug it, to disengage the plug. And I gotta see if there's enough room to mount this, because somehow this side is wider on the new exhaust fan that I got. So yeah, it is a 1/4 inch socket. So I removed those 3 1/4 inch screw. Wow, a bunch of spider web. So there's your 2x4 over there. Now here are some of the old foam that fell off. I gotta vacuum that later. Wow, it just fell down. So yeah, unfortunately I tried to use a crescent C-wrench and it just doesn't want to budge. And I removed all those caps for the wiring. Seems like they nailed it in there, okay? So I need to use my flathead screwdriver to yank it out, or else this thing is never gonna come out. So there's this strip, they slide it. So you're supposed to slide this out. So it's almost coming out. I just need to hit some more with a hammer to yank it out. Oh, there's a screw in there. So I finally hit it out. This rail, and then there's another one right here on this side. So I had to use this tiny Phillips ratchet. It's in an awkward angle, so I did get it out. Alright, so this is the poly can tape. It's taping on top of this box, and we needed to engage this plastic for the wiring, and now I can remove the whole box or the pain in the butt. Alright, looking pretty good now. There's a sensor right here for the humidity sensing. So unfortunately there are 2 mounting holes right here and 2 on this side, but there's nothing to hold. So I will need to drill 2 holes on this side so I could screw this into the stud. And you want to make sure it is in center. I'm going to do some test fit first. If you need to move, shift that side or this side before we drill the holes. And that's what the fan sound like. Alright, so I finally finished customize, drill those 2 holes. Pretty sturdy. There's this sensor. I'm not sure why it's hanging like that. But we're gonna put the cover back and then see how it looks. This is the rail. We're gonna insert those spring on both sides. So we are going to pinch this spring and then guide it through those rails. Okay, now I can hang it, and we're gonna do the same thing on this side. And after that, we're gonna push in or push up. Yeah, by the way, you're supposed to install the switch on the wall switch right here, but I didn't want my 10 light bulb to come on each time when it's auto sensing, so that will waste a lot of energy. Well, there you have it. Unfortunately, this cover, it is too small and it's going to look ugly, but somehow those spring is keep on falling down. I guess the new spring design is too short. The one that's the old one is much longer. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Always peace.